It's,
oh my god, so pretty. Hey everyone, I'm Roxette Arisa, and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY, so you may recognize our guest today from Vanderpump Rules. Please welcome Lala Kent, reality star, recording artist, and beauty maven, and of course, all-around boss. So thank you so much for coming on the show today.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, I'm so excited. So we're gonna kick it off with a little game, and it's called Pasta, Pout, or Perfume. I'm gonna read a review that the producers of the show found online, and it's either gonna describe a pasta sauce, a perfume, or a lip product, and we have to like figure out which.
Do you know what it is?
No, I don't know either.
Okay, good.
No,
so
these weren't shared with me at all.
Look equally as good or bad.
Yes. We're in this together, girl. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. A lightly creamy, smooth consistency that felt a little softer compared to most of the brands.
Lips.
Lips. I'm gonna say lips too.
Yeah,
You guys are right.
Woo! Okay. It starts out predominantly green with a sharp aromatic blast of basil, then tart, juicy citrus.
Okay, and what are they? Sauces, lips, or?
Perfume.
Ooh, this one's hard, but
I'm gonna go with perfume.
Really?
Yeah. Because I know they're tricky.
Wait, okay, I think I'm gonna go with a sauce.
Okay.
I was thinking the basil.
The basil was what threw me off at first, but then I was like, no, because I think it's a trick question.
Okay.
So they got
all right,
us
I now know the drill.
The kind of thing we need to get us through the harsh realities of sub-zero temperatures and 13-hour days at the office.
I'm gonna go with the sauce, right?
Go with the sauce.
Yes, these are hard kind
They
of.
actually are. They actually are.
Well, you got 3 out of 3.
Woo!
Girl.
That was so much fun. But now let's get down to business and talk about this amazing beauty line that you just launched. I'm a big fan, actually. I'm wearing Mistress. We're both wearing Mistress today.
I'm wearing Mistress too.
We're both wearing Mistress, and we both
Yes.
love it. It's such a pretty everyday color. Behind the brand, you know, you're a singer, an actress, and now Give Them Lala has made you an entrepreneur. What made you want to start a beauty line?
I was getting a lot of people asking me about my lip routine and what I was wearing on them. And this was just something that I kind of said, let's see where it goes. So we started with 6 lip colors. Mistress was one of the OGs. Ooh. And now we have over 55 products.
Wow.
So that's how it kind of came to be. And, you know, I can say now that I'm a little business owner.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Like it pays my bills, y'all. Thank you. Thank you for loving Give Them Lala Beauty.
Yes. What is your holy grail product in the line?
All of the lips that I chose and the highlighters that we have, I chose based on will I walk out of the house in these? And then from there, I did another process of elimination, which was skin tones, because I know that not everyone has my skin tone. So then I got some friends and family together and thought, okay, what is going to look great on everybody? So my lip combo for every day would be Mistress. So that's a holy grail. And I like the lip combo, the Affair and Mistress together.
Oh, okay.
And then all of my highlighters are pretty epic.
Really?
I love them. Yeah, and I use them for eyeshadow.
They're
you know?
pretty. I feel like highlighters are such a great product to come out with because you really can use them so versatile as such versatile products. Inner corner highlight, brow bone, cheeks, you know.
Yeah, a
just
little bridge of the nose.
Yes.
Totally.
So we're gonna do a little swatcheroonie over here.
I love it.
So what shade is this?
That's Showstopper, and that's like
so
my
pretty.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. I
love it.
That's like my everyday highlighter, just because it's like it has just the right amount of like the shimmery gold tones, but like not too extra.
Right. It's like a perfect light gold.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
Oh my god, this one looks gorgeous. This is the shade Power.
Yes,
I almost feel like
honey.
this is like a rose gold.
It's a rose gold. Oh my gosh, that's totally how I explain it.
Yes!
Yes, girlfriend.
So pretty. And these are very pigmented and buttery too.
Oh my gosh. They're so good.
Yeah, they're so good. And I feel like there's different shades and so many different skin tones can have so many different options.
Totally.
So this is a true gold, right? This is
Yes.
Goddess.
Goddess.
And this one I think is gonna be like my summer favorite, right?
With your skin tone, oh my gosh, it's like so fresh.
So pretty.
Girlfriend. Oh my gosh, I just want to like be your arm right now.
Just bathed in highlighter.
Totally.
Which one is this? This is topless.
Topless, yes.
What would you use this one for?
I like the pinkish ones as like you do your blush and then use like a little dusty with this highlighter over your blushy.
You know what I would actually use this for?
Tell me.
An inner corner highlight. Like if I did like maybe a matte eye and just wanted some sparkle in the inner corner, I think this would be beautiful because it's such a unique color. It's like almost like a purple lilac shade or something.
Totally, it has a purpley hue.
Super pretty.
I love the highlighters because you can
use them everywhere.
Everywhere.
Just bathe your whole face in them.
Totally,
basically.
bathe your whole face in them. I love that.
And then this one is the shade Skinny Dip right here.
Skinny Dippin'. This one's more like iridescent. It's, oh my god,
it's so pretty. That just reminds me of like a unicorn or something. It's so pretty.
It's so pretty, right?
Yeah.
So I chose all of these just based on like, again, all of the different skin tones, and then you know, sometimes you're gonna be in Ibiza and you're gonna want a different highlight than you do when you're like skiing in Aspen, you know?
So you have one for every occasion, every skin tone. We got it all on fleek here.
Totally. Oh my gosh, I love it.
We're also gonna swatch Mistress because it's what we're both wearing today. So we have to do it.
We have to
obviously.
do it. It's the everyday.
And it's such a pretty shade because so many different skin tones could wear it. And I feel like it just could go with so many different makeup looks. It's like a perfect peachy pink lip gloss.
Yeah, Mistress is like my everyday look, and I feel like even if you have like a favorite lipstick, it looks great over
it. Or like over any lip liners you want to wear. Like for example, today Lala's wearing more of a pink lip liner and I'm wearing more of a brown lip liner. Even though we both have Mistress on, it kind of gives it a slightly different look. And who are your beauty icons? Like who do you look up to in this beauty industry?
Ooh, that's such a good question. I love that. I would have to say, I mean, everybody obsesses over Jenner's Kardashian duo. So like they always are so on point for me. But I'm really loving the Hailey Baldwin look right now.
Girl,
you know?
Don't even get me started. I am obsessed with Hailey Baldwin. Obsessed. Her style, her makeup, everything about her.
So
I love her. Yeah, agreed.
And I like that it's like toned down a little bit.
It's very like kind of minimalistic, I would say, but like she's there. She's giving it to us. Yeah.
It's so sexy.
What would you say is like your everyday makeup routine?
My everyday makeup routine is always a good lip. And like a little contour, a little highlight, mascara, and call it a day.
I feel like a glossy lip is just like the perfect finishing touch.
It is, because it looks like you pulled it together enough to like, oh, she cared today, you know?
Yeah, totally.
But not so much that it's like, oh, she's so extra.
Right, it's like, oh, she might have taken like 20 minutes or something to do her makeup, when in reality you took like an hour. But
yeah,
it's
totally.
Okay.
It's the natural,
it's
not
the natural, not
natural.
Exactly, exactly. You coined the phrase "Give Them Lala." What does that phrase mean to you?
It kind of just means like, do you, boo. Give them whoever you are.
Everything in the line has such a fun, you know, shade name, like Daddy, Mistress, Prenup. Yes. How was it like coming up with those names?
I like to poke fun at myself or things that people say, because if you can't do that, then like you have a rough road ahead of you. And so I just sat there and I was like, what names have I been called recently that are just like so ridiculous? And we just started coming up with Mistress and The Affair, and it was so much fun to name.
You have so much confidence with shades like CEO and Queen. I feel like you're just like the definition of a girl boss, basically.
Thank you.
So, you know, what lip color makes you feel the most confident out of any of the products?
Oh my gosh, it really depends on the day, but the two that I'm really obsessing over right now, High Maintenance, which is like a very beautiful pigmented nude, and Seduction, which is a purpley. I love purple tones. I think they look great on everybody. So those two are like my fun ones.
Those confidence boosters.
Yeah.
I love
you know,
that.
where it's like not an everyday, you're like, oh, I'm gonna wear this and still feel sexy.
Right.
Because when you change your look, it's not easy.
No, I agree. It like really, it puts you into a different mindset almost. Like when I slap on a red lip, that's when I'm like, okay, I'm ready to like paint the town.
You're ready to just be fierce, right? I love that. I have a great, my reds are like so on point.
They're so beautiful, you guys. I saw one, it's beautiful.
I have NDA, which is a matte red, and it's like, I do not like me in reds, but I throw that one on, and I'm like, ooh, I'm about
and you're
to
ready
serve them
to like
life.
slay, right?
Yes.
How do you really want people to feel when they wear your products? Like when they slap on Mistress or, you know, NDA?
I want everyone to feel sexy.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I want someone to slap on my stuff and be like, you look good tonight.
Well, thank you so much for coming on the show. This was so much fun.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah. And for everybody at home, you can purchase Give Them Lala products on IPSY Shopper and get cash back on every single purchase, but we also have a very special giveaway for all of our This Week in Beauty audience members. So this is what you can win. And as we know from Vanderpump Rules, Lala is like the queen of having her girl squads back. So to win, all you have to do is tag your girl squad in the comment section below, and you could win these amazing Give Them Lala products. And also be on the lookout because we've got some Give Them Lala products in our July Glam Bag, and I'm so excited because I think I saw one in my bag. Yeah, I'm super duper excited to create my tutorial with it and everything. So watch out for that. I'm Roxette Arisa, and thanks for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. We'll see you next time. Bye.